In this video, I will show you everything you need to know when using the GemLightbox Macro. Setting up the GemLightbox Macro. First, set up the smartphone stand. The GemLightbox Macro comes with a custom smartphone stand. To set it up, simply loosen the screw on the right-hand side of the stand and move it to the length proportional to the camera lens. Notice that there is a ruler on the left-hand side of the stand. This ruler acts as a guide for the length. Ensure that the double-sided arrow on the left side of the stand points to the exact height measurement of your phone. Once matched up, tighten the screw and place the smartphone onto the stand. Toggle the phone left and right until you match the camera into the center of the macro lens. When your smartphone is already positioned correctly, move the width adjuster tool towards your phone to lock the position. Once you're set up, we suggest not to change it anymore for ease of use in the future. Next, set up the width and height of the turntable. Use the width and height adjustment tools on each side of the box to position the gemstones closer or farther away from the lens. Move small stones closer to the lens and the large ones farther away from the lens to achieve the optimal result. Please make sure that the turntable is closest to the camera lens when using the GemLightbox Macro for the very first time. If the turntable is too far back, the images and videos will start to look blurry. And finally, position your gem and diamond properly. Always position the gem in the center of the disc. Otherwise, the gem will be carried farther away from the center of the turntable when it rotates. The disc comes with a groove to mark the center point. Place the gem right on the groove and start shooting. To know more, visit www.gemiq.com.